Hey guys, it's Miss Valley. Hope you had a nice Memorial Day weekend. I'm going to talk to you about what the rest of the school year is going to look like. It's 8 days. It's all we've got really. And these 8 days might look different from one student to another for this class. So I've got some work for you to do today that will go by fast. So I'm just going to kind of take the temperature of the room here through this attendance form. So see today, Tuesday, May 26th. Click on the form that I've made for you, and let's look through it real quick here. So these next 8 days are going to vary depending on where you're at in class. So it says, look at student view. Are you missing any assignments? If so, which ones? List below. So I would like you to take a moment, like pause this, click over to a new tab, open up student view, look in our class. If you're missing anything, please make me aware that you're aware of what's missing and type in those assignments below. Says if you're all caught up in class, these next 8 days are for fun. You will have the option of making a digital time capsule. Do you know what a time capsule is? You list your answer below. If you are not all caught up in this class, these next 8 days are for you to get caught up. Do you have any questions? And if you do have a question, yes, type it in the other section. So if you can do that. If it doesn't let you do that, let's see if it'll let you do it. Yes. Okay, it's being weird because I'm in the creator mode. Okay, if it doesn't let you type in the question you have, just email it directly to me because I want to know what those questions are. First, last name, class period, and class. Click it, the one that matches the one you're in. But yeah, so to sum this up, these next 8 days are for students who need extra time to get caught up, right? So use this week to turn in any late assignments. The last week of school, I'm going to need time to grade those assignments. So if you are behind, this is your week to get caught up. Send me in any late work by Friday so that I have time to grade your things. The last week of school is like desperate times for like my most struggling students who may have had a lot going on. And I assume I'll just have a few who need my help that very last week. Otherwise, I'm going to be grading, getting everything in for you. Yeah. If you are all caught up, you looked at student view and you've got a grade in every box and you're happy with that grade you got, you are off to bigger, better, greater things. You could do the time capsule. It's a lot of fun. It's really interesting. I'm going to be posting that tomorrow, so tune in and watch the video for tomorrow to see some extra fun art stuff you can do. But yeah, congrats on getting through this wild semester of art, of life. I mean, wow. uh, I am at a loss for words to like really synthesize what we've all been through. I'm really sorry that I can't see you guys face to face and wish you well in person, especially you eighth graders who are going off to Mounds View next year. You're going to do great. Stop by and say hi to me. Hopefully, we'll be in classrooms by next fall, but I'll be teaching over at the high school. So there'll be at least a familiar face for you in the hallway up by the art department. Last hour of the day, if you want to stop and say hi, definitely do so. But you guys are awesome. I hope you have a really beautiful, wonderful, amazing summer. If you do want to keep tuning in into our Google Classroom and do some of the extra fun digital time capsule stuff, I think you'll really like it, and it's funny, and it's just a great way to capture this crazy time and have a little memento for yourself. But if you are all caught up and you've got to get caught up in other classes, the time capsule activity that I'll post tomorrow is optional. So use your time wisely. You guys are awesome. Keep emailing me if you have any questions. We can do Google Hangouts too. But I hope you guys have a really, really wonderful, fantastic, safe, healthy, fun summer. Okay. Miss you guys. See ya.